Hi, second graders. Today we are going to be reading words with the ow sound. Let's take a look at our good old friend who is an owl. The first sound in the word owl is ow. The letters O-W make the sound ow. The letters, the two vowels, O and U, also say ow. So when you see O-W together, the sound is ow. In some cases it's O, but not often. And when you see the two vowels, O and U together, the sound is ow. Let's go ahead and blend some words together to practice reading these. And then after this video, we will read a decodable text together. Look at the first word up here. These are all separated out and decoded for you so that we can say the sounds in each letter to make the word. Notice that the letters O-U are together in the middle of the word. Ow is the middle sound. And we put those together in one sound box because they're one sound. So two or more letters sometimes can make one sound, as we know. Let's sound this word out. G. Ow, d, ground. You guys are becoming better readers, so if you said ow, ground, that is also fine because that tells me you knew how to read a consonant blend at the beginning and the end of the word. Ground. Let's go ahead and decode and blend row 1. Ow, crown. Ow, loud. Ow, shower. Ow, plow. Ouch, grouchy. If that was hard for you, I'd like you to pause the video and go ahead and read those words again. Now looking at row 2. This word we are going to chunk. Out, look. So we read those 3 letters together, out, and L-O-O-K is the word look. I see 2 words in this long word, so it's important to pay attention to when you see compound words as well. Otherwise, we can sound it out like this. Out, look, outlook. But I want you guys to get used to seeing words within words. Let's try this one. Tower. Tower. Sprout. Hound. Snow. There's one of those words where O-W says O instead of ow. That is there so we can talk about how there are some exceptions. Let's read this the fast way. Outlook, tower, sprout, hound, snow. Again, if it was challenging, pause the video and try this row again. Let's sound out or decode row 3. Brown. Group. There's another instance where O and U says oo. Council. And now I did C, I, and L together because when a C is next to an I, it makes the soft sound for C. It wouldn't be k because the I is next to it. So council. Council. This is a sight word, about. So out, about. Crowded. Let's read this row 3 the fast way. Brown, group, council, about, crowded. Please pause the video now to try to read this sentence, starting with the word falling, with fluency. if you struggle with this, we're going to sound it out now. The words that are underlined are words to know. So we have falling, want, and while. Falling, want, while. Falling, trees, it hit the ground as the wind blew them down. Let's read this with fluency. Falling trees hit the ground as the wind blew them down. I'm going to take the cursor away because it ruins our fluency. Let's read it one more time. Falling trees hit the ground as the wind blew them down. I'd like you to practice that. This sentence. Pause the video, try to read this, sound it out. I don't want the dog to howl while I'm singing out loud. I don't want the dog to howl while I'm singing out loud. Read this with fluency. I don't want the dog to howl while I'm singing out loud. These kinds of activities are important for you to practice, and it's okay to read sentences over and over again. That gives you fluency practice. You may watch this video as many times as you like, and please stay tuned for our decodable reader coming up next.